Evening fellas, Ben back again. Another OCC5 Pro installed on Arun's motorcycle. Arun's motorcycle has come into my garage after a long time. And so quickly. The user interface is slightly different. This is a monochromatic palette, unlike what you find on mine, which is a colorful TFT. This is more like a monochromatic TFT. And that's how it comes up. Everything is in shades of gray, whereas mine has these colored icons. And what else is different? The wiring is straightforward. There is no accessory wiring, like a separate accessory wire. There's a negative and there's a positive. The positive to be connected to an accessory source, accessory wiring source, or you can connect it to the indicator source. You can connect it to the OBD sensor ignition source, or the ignition fuse. You can connect it to the accessory fuse, accessory coupler here. Anyway, and it starts working with your ignition, parallel to your ignition. Another thing is the camera is fine. I don't know why, but Arun's rear camera stopped working after a while. And then we have the usual, the tire pressure monitoring system, which shows you the set values and the existing current values. Then after that, what you have over here is going back to, where is it? No, not panel. That would be the panel. Going back, back. And then how do you move to CarPlay? Sorry, I was looking for CarPlay. And then we have these apps for CarPlay that have been installed on Arun's phones. So these things come up as well. Anything CarPlay comes up here, and you can work with it the way you see fit. The internet is a little weak on the phone here right now in this location, so it takes a while to connect. But if we were to move the device 10 feet, or if we were to move his phone 10 feet from here, maybe it'll start connecting. It works with Google Maps. It also has an inbuilt map from Safari, I believe. And that should be it. So the window comes up, front tire low, back tire high, all that jazz. Seriously good device. The front camera is set up over here. The rear camera is set up over here. And that's the whole of it. Quick installation, pretty easy and straightforward. We got a Zana mobile mount or a GPS mount for this fella. And I also set the screens parallel to each other so that, it's a nice cockpit. It's a nice, interesting cockpit that way.